Hello everyone, in this video we'll see my banking direct high yield saving account review. And my banking direct high yield saving account is type of saving account offered my banking and direct financial institution, and you can open saving account 5.35% and great way to build your financial future. And many high yield saving account come with minimals or no fees at all, allowing and savers to keep more their earning account and offered banks and you as providing protection and up to a certain limit if DIC ensure up to least $250,000 and by depositor and open your account in just $500 and with monthly account fee. High yield account are offered by online providing convenience access to account management tools and customer support online. Some saving accounts require minimal deposit accounts and then frequent transaction up to 5 months and save up 550% API, typically easy access to fund through electronic transfer, withdraw or ATM access. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching.